Hansel, where is your nose? Where's your eyes? Good. Where's your mouth? What about your teeth? Good. What about your hair? Yeah. Where's your ear? Good job. Where are your fingers? Yeah, fingers. Where's your mama?
Mama.
Yeah, where's your doggy? Lola. Dog. Where's your binky? Are you a good boy? Oh, okay.
I'm better and water and water.
I see. Have you been a good boy this year?
No.
Okay. Is Santa going to bring you some presents? Okay. Okay, well, show me how you color. Okay. I love you. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay. Love you.